Hello, I'm Kim Solez. I'm professor of pathology at the University of Alberta and a physician at the University of Alberta Hospital. And I teach a course on technology and the future of medicine. And what I'm proposing to teach for academia would be a course on how AI and blockchain can save humanity from itself and soon. And here's an example of AI. So the 7 areas that we would address come about because, as you may know, in the last year, AI has solved protein folding, which is what is depicted on this background. And protein folding is more complicated than the 7 major problems that human beings have: systemic racism, climate emergency, nuclear war, colonialism, male aggression, and COVID-19 pandemic, and multiple instances of self and the end of FOMO, the fear of missing out. So the course organization would consider each of those 7 and surprising advances that are being made. You may think it's going to take a long time to reach the endpoint of solving these things, but for instance, recently AI has begun to understand sarcasm and irony, and in the multiple instances of self era, there is an Avatar X Prize that is going to be awarded this year, 2021, for having multiple instances of self and communication between yourself and your remote instance of yourself. Yeah, so that's what I would like to do. And just to give you a taste of it, these are some of the backgrounds that I use in teaching, and you can get some idea of what experience the students would have from these backgrounds. Yeah. I'm working on a book called Serially Surreal, which is what Leonard Cohen said I was. BAMF, which is what I'm famous for, the BAMF classification, and how AI and blockchain will save humanity from itself. So the name of the course then would be the end of the book title. That is, how AI and blockchain will save humanity from itself. So that's it. Yeah. Thank you very much.